guys, welcome back to another video. In today's video I'm gonna be sharing with you how I make cupcakes to send by post. This is gonna be a very quick and easy video, okay, because it's not much really to share. These cupcakes I made in the morning, I allow it to cool down completely and I add it to this clear boxes or package, that I use to send the cupcakes. This customer, she wanted something very simple, just white color, okay. So when I have the orders for cupcakes that I sell online, okay, I send it. I live in UK, Birmingham, but I post my cupcakes to all over the UK, okay. And I make these cupcakes in the day before, and I allow it to be in a freezer overnight, especially in a summer, okay. If it's a winter, you don't really need much, but if you sell it on summertime when its weather is more hot or warmer, you need to freeze your cupcakes. That's how I do it. I sold a lot of cupcakes from Etsy, and I always done like that. And the cupcake arrived to my customers, and they always say that my cupcakes is fresh and very tasty, okay, because I make it, I allow it to cool down, I decorate it, and I froze it straight away. I don't let my cupcakes out of the fresh at home temperature for too long, okay. That's very important for me to maintain the qualities, and the freshness of my cupcakes and cakes. So after decorate the cupcakes, I take them to the freezer, okay. I froze them overnight, and the next day, as you can see now, I start to pack it. But normally I do pack it. If you live in UK, the next day delivered by Royal Mail is they accept you drop your order at post office until 4 p.m. That's why I normally do. I normally leave it in the last minute, so I drop it at post office. I add as well some toppers. Some customers, they don't really want the toppers, but I do ask, if they want, and if they want, I do add cupcakes. If you are planning to do the same, it's very important that you add the allergies label to your cupcakes, and also to add the fragile label to your cupcakes as well, outside of the boxes, okay. Very, very important. You can sell these boxes from eBay, from Etsy, from Amazon, from Facebook Marketplace. You can sell it for your neighbors as well, okay. So at the moment, I'm not really selling as much cupcakes as I was selling before, because the company that I used to buy the boxes, they only do the boxes of 12 cupcakes at the moment, which is very sad, because I was selling the boxes of 6 cupcake a lot, okay. People just because people was buying the box of 6 cupcakes just to gift friends, family members, for their own kids, to send it so to friends. I had parents buying the box of 6 cupcakes to send to their child when they was university and things like that, okay. So that's why it is. At the moment, I've been selling more mini cakes. That's why I have in my channel a mini series with mini cakes, okay, with 7 flavors of mini cakes. I'm gonna leave the link on the description box of this video if you want to check that out. Okay. Oh, thank you very much for watching. See you in the next one. Bye.